Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
My parents, my older brother, my younger sister, and me.
Oh, do you get along with your brother?
Yes, we are very close.
And your sister?
She can be funny and sometimes annoying.
Do you all live together?
Yes, we live in the same house.
Do you have relatives abroad?
Yes, my aunt lives in Canada.
Wow, do you visit her often?
Sometimes during holidays.
That's nice. Do you like family gatherings?
Yes, I love them. We talk, eat, and laugh a lot.
Who cooks the best food in your family?
My mother. Her food is delicious.
What do you usually do together on weekends?
We watch TV, visit relatives, or go out for a walk.
Your family sounds very warm and happy.
Yes, I'm very lucky to have them. What about you? Do you have a big family?
No, I don't. I have a small family, but we are very close.
Do you like spending time with your brother?
Yes, we play games and sometimes watch movies together.
That sounds fun. What games do you like?
I like board games and video games. How about you?
I like puzzles and drawing. Sometimes I draw with my sister.
Wow, I'm not very good at drawing.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go for a walk with my family, read books, or watch cartoons.
That sounds relaxing. I usually ride my bike, play games, or help my parents at home.
It's nice that we both have fun on weekends. Family time is important.
Yes, I think spending time with family makes everyone happy.